This video, I will show you exactly how to do a standing front flip on ground. Let's dive right into the video. What's up guys, it's Aaron from How To's by Bros. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to do a standing front flip on ground. So I know I made this video before, but I wanted to make a more detailed video and a longer, more informative video on it. So let's dive right into it, guys. So first of all, you want to be able to do a standing front flip on trampoline. Super easy, obviously, like super easy. If you have not a very good trampoline, then you know, just be able to do it and land it pretty easy, okay? And get a lot of height with it. Okay, the next step, once you can do a standing front flip on the trampoline, then you can take it on a mattress. Okay, a mattress is a really good way to learn a front flip, standing front flip. So just do a standing front flip on the mattress. Well, you can start jumping and then eventually get to a standing front flip on the mattress. Once you can do it on the mattress, try it on gym floor if you can. If you don't have gym floor, you can take it right onto grass. But start on gym floor if you can and try a standing front flip there. This whole entire time, you should be able to do a running front flip spring floor. At this point, you should be able to do a running on a spring floor, also a running on grass. I mean, this is not an easy trick, all right? More of an advanced trick, I would say, and other tricks. Once you can do a running front flip on grass, then you know, take little steps, take less steps every single time you do it. So every single time, just take less steps if you're trying to get to a standing front flip. So like, you know, take one step and then just do a front flip. If you can land that, you can pretty much go for a standing front flip. But you know, just do less and less steps and less momentum, and you're really set to go. So I'll show you just a few demos. What are some reasons why you would want to do a standing front flip? One reason is standing front flips takes a lot of power, so it's a challenging move, which it's a lot harder than a standing backflip, obviously. So standing front flip, it takes a lot of power, and you know, it's a good challenge to learn. It's also it's different than a running front flip, it's different than a backflip. It's a completely new trick, which is nice. And also, you'll be able to jump higher if you can do if you practice standing front flips all the time. You're gonna have some strong legs. You're gonna be able to jump pretty high because it's not an easy trick, like I said. So the standing front flip. Okay, so first of all, for the standing front flip, something where you definitely have to warm up a lot, and I'm not really gonna warm up right now, and because I already did it a couple days ago. Anyways, so stand about shoulder width, okay? Stand about shoulder width, and your feet pointed straight out, really simple. And what you want to do is go on your toes, all right? This is key. Go on your toes, and then bend down, squat down. Use those legs, like literally use as much muscles as you can in your legs. Your legs, like I said, are one of your biggest muscle groups in your body, so take advantage of that. Use your glutes and your hamstrings to really launch you up, and your quads, your quadriceps to really launch you up. So on your toes, right? You're going on your toes, and then you're gonna bend down. And what you want to do is bend down as much as you feel comfortable. It's gonna be automatic. It's not like you're gonna have to think, all right, I'm gonna bend down like super far, or I'm not gonna bend down enough. Like, your body's gonna tell you. It should tell you like where is a good time to just launch up. So what you're gonna do is on your toes, bend down. So it's kind of like a momentum thing. Like, so on your toes, boom, and then launch up. Use your hips to launch you up, and use your legs and literally take off with those feet. All right, with with your toes. You're literally gonna use every muscle in your legs. You're gonna use your butt, you're gonna use your hamstrings, you're gonna use your quads, you're gonna use your calves, you're gonna use your toes, everything to launch you up, even your arms, okay? This is where your arms come in as well. I like to keep my arms like this and just launch them up. I mean, it doesn't matter if you're closed fist or whatever, but whatever you do, throw your arms up, all right? And then like, you're gonna jump straight up. It's gonna feel like you're jumping straight up. And then you're gonna just, as soon as you get the maximum height, as soon as you feel like you've launched yourself up, you're gonna just tuck as hard as you can. And the tighter you tuck, the faster you're gonna flip. So launch yourself up, and then just tuck as tight as you can, and whip yourself You're automatically gonna flip fast, you know, pretty much. If you tuck really tight, grab your knees quick. But that, you know, and just tuck, and then, you know, and then spot your landing when. It's gonna be different than doing a running front flip, but obviously same idea. So spot yourself as soon as you feel like you're done with the flip, or as soon as you see the sky, they say, if you're like that. I like to close my eyes and just pretty much just master, you know, landing it, but that's just me. I don't really open my eyes when I'm flipping. But yeah, that's all you're gonna do. So launch yourself up with your toes, with your arms, and then you're gonna tuck like crazy, all right? This is not an easy trick, like I said. So you might land like low at the start. You might land like this. You might land on your butt the first time, but keep trying, all right? I used to land super low on those, all right? And now I can land a lot better. So I used to land like this. And then I increased that, and so yeah, you know, this trick takes power. This trick takes the right technique, and it just takes a lot of power. Okay, that's the main thing. I would say it's close to being as hard as doing like an standing Arabian on ground. It's very advanced, and it's definitely not easy to land good with it, especially, but you're gonna get it. It's gonna take you a little bit, but just keep practicing and keep trying. So I'll go over the movement, everything once more. So I like to go on my toes, right? And then squat, go down, don't squat all the way down, obviously. Launch up, tuck as tight as you can, and then spot, you know, go around and then spot your landing, and just land, all right? So I'll just go over it. It'll be in slow-mo, but so. Boom, all right? That's what it's gonna be, okay? What you don't wanna do is you don't wanna, you know, push yourself out, okay? That's gonna kill all your height, especially on a standing front flip. You're not gonna be able to land it very good if you're doing that, unless you're like insanely strong and powerful. But, you know, don't go out on a front flip, go up, okay? So you're gonna launch up, and if you're starting the movement like this, like launching out, that's just, like, watch yourself, like film yourself, all right? And make sure your launch, when you're starting the flip, your head is like neutral and you're up, your arms are up. That should tell you the first start of the movement, like at least like the first like inch off the ground, couple inches off the ground, you're straight up. All all right? And then once you get the get the front flip, make sure you're not like shooting out, okay? Whatever you do. Pretty much the technique of the front flip. Like I said, the front flip takes a lot of power, okay? The main thing it takes is power, and then it also takes a lot of technique doing it properly. So it's gonna take you a while, but it's definitely worth it. It's a fun trick, and honestly, it's a good trick to have under your belt. Like I said, make sure to shoot up and just tuck as tight as you can. And as I keep saying, power, guys, think power. Like literally, like before you do it, take a step and then do a front flip and just think like absolute power. Just like that should be the only thing in your mind is power, power, power. And yeah, it's a fun trick because it's challenging. It's a challenging trick. So I really appreciate you guys watching the video on how to do a standing front flip on ground. If you enjoyed it, subscribe, hit that notifications bell, and also comment below what you think. Whatever your comments are, leave it in the comments below because engagement really helps. So I really appreciate you guys commenting, and also click here for our crazy flips, and click here for our newest video right here. All right, thank you so much for watching the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. God bless. Have a great rest of your day.